Do you want to know what this is going to solve? It's going to solve a mess. That is for certain. For this little girl's bed, underneath of it is like a trap door for messiness. This actually unfolds into four under the bed storage containers. And look how compact they fold up when you are not using them. Now, it is fully encased in a zipper, closed lid, and here's one of the parts I love, see-through container, which is totally needed for any space that you have that you want to maximize what you're using. Now watch. It actually has a pull handle on this side as well as this side. So depending on how you shove it under your bed, that's how it's going to be. Now inside this one, we actually have one pillow, 3 blankets, and a massive sweatshirt, and I still have room for more. I am going to love this. She will not have a mess under her bed anymore, right? Uh-huh. So we're going to be able to put the extra blankets for sleepovers. We're going to be able to put her clothes that are from the summer or for the winter. But look how easy it is for access. And then you just fold it right back up and place it under your bed. So if you are in need of a great way to maximize your storage space and keep things dust-free, tidy, and in a great space, this thing is what we would choose.